Hello! In this tutorial, we're going to describe the key discovery behind the radioactive material. If your photos showed a mysterious image, what would you think? Well, in 1896, a French physicist, Henri Becquerel, discovered the image of a key on a photographic film he developed. He remembered the film had been in a drawer under a key, and on the top of that, there had been a packet of uranium salts. So this film had on the top of it a key, and on the top of this key, uranium salts. This film showed the image of a key. Then, Henri Becquerel thought that the uranium salts must have sent out some form of radiation that passed through the paper, the film wrapper, but not through the metal key. So why is that? Many questions arise due to this accident. Becquerel asked a young physicist, Marie Curie, to investigate this bizarre phenomenon. She found later that the salts, uranium salts, emitted radiation all the time. She used the word radioactivity to describe this strange new property of uranium. She and her husband, Pierre, did more research into this new branch of science. They discovered new radioactive elements, and they named one of the elements polonium after Marie's native country, Poland. From here, the key discovery for radioactive materials began. That's all. Thanks for watching.